Hi and welcome to my channel. This is Tyra. Today I have an unbagging. I have bought some cross stitch of a private person here in Denmark. She's been living in the States for, I think she said 10 years, and has during that time embroidered a lot. She's been cross stitching and embroidery, done different embroideries and so on. So she had a lot of kits that she brought home and that she says that she's not going to do. I don't really know what's in it because I paid, I think was $75 for this package, and she wanted to go through things and see what she wanted to sell, and so she said that she probably could find me 7 kits, and I thought that given that these are good kits, that I would be happy about them. So let's take a look and see what this lady has sent me. She's 75, so she wasn't that good with the camera and so on. So I know 1 or 2 of them because I've seen pictures of those, but having her to send me new pictures and so on, I just said, okay, let's just try this, and if I don't like them, perhaps others will, and I could send them on. So let's see, these should be mostly dimension kits, and they are not available in Denmark. So let's see. Oh, there's a lot of them. Okay, I'm set for the rest of my life. Oh, I already like one of them, I can say. Oh, and there's an American bird. Let's see if I can get them out of the bag. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, they look really good. Okay, let's start from the start. This is a Dimension Gold Collection Petite. Oh, he is cute, isn't he? And there's a little teddy down there. Oh, he is cute. And you can see the fabric, Aida cloth. There's small stars on it. There's some golds. Oh my god, that's good. This is from 1998, so that's an old one. Look at that. Sorry. I really like this one. God, that's cute. I like the little bear here. I like the little lamb. I like everything. And you see, he's carrying a tree as well. So he's going somewhere. Do you think there's a cabin up there that he's going up to with all his things? Perhaps. And then we have this one. That's a bit American. I once saw an eagle like this, but that was on Cyprus. I've never been to America, so never seen them in real life, or in wildlife. But it was out flying though. They had it flying, yeah, and it just came back. It was so beautiful that it could fly away. It was totally out of sight, and then it suddenly decided to come home, and then it just landed again. So it was beautiful, beautiful bird. It looks really good. I think I could do this one as well. So, and here we have all the colors on it. I don't think that it's been opened as well, so they are brand new kits. And there's different sorts of threads. This is like a wool one, isn't it? There's all different sorts of threads on it. Let's go to the next. Oh, another one. Oh, those are good. Look at those. That's a little dog. That's one like our dog down here. A fox terrier. And children decorating the tree, out skating, and the village in the background. That's a cute one. And then there's a Thomas Kincaid one as well. This one I've seen also as a diamond painting, so looks cute. You need to sort the threads. There's a silver thread in here as far as I can see, and so yeah, and there's, oh, those are cute, good as well. And then there's this one, Santa and his sleigh. Oh, that's cute, with rabbits. And oh, this one has been, no, it's not open. There's still ceilings on it. And this one is from, can I see that? 2001, so they are old. So she's been having those for a long time. Oh, those are good. And then there's this one, a little scene as well, with a house and so on a blue 8, I think, with all the threads. Oh, those are good. And then there's a little one here. Oh, how do I do that one? Cotton thread and Ada and felt and needle and easy instructions. 2003. So these are winches. That's pretty cool though. Oh, this one is open so we can get into it. So here we have the thread, and there's cloth, and there's instruction sheet here. So trace the large pattern onto tissue paper. Center the pattern over each design and cut from the fabric. Okay. Oh, and they're in here all the... Oh, they are cool. And here we have the patterns and so on. Oh, there's instructions and so on. They could be fun to do as well. Don't know if I would do them into small, but you could also just do them on a background, couldn't you? And then there's another Thomas Kincaid here. Beautiful as well. I think I've seen that one as a diamond painting as well. So lots of threads again. There's some silver threads in there. Shiny ones. Not open as well. This is from 1996. And then we have another collection here, gold collection. Another winter scene. Beautiful as well. Are these open? So these are in bags. Blue Ada cloth. And chart and so on. And finally, this one, Memory Lane it's called. Oh, that's beautiful as well. That looks like a Danish scenery. Could be. With all the flowers and so on. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This one, perhaps we can just lug it open. She has had this one open anyway. Oh, then didn't you just on a blue and a lot of threads in it. Oh, I'm so happy with those. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Oh, she didn't say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's 10. Oh, that's just wonderful, isn't it? Oh, but I'm set for life, aren't I? I don't know if I'm going to do all of them. I don't know. Perhaps my mom or my mother-in-law and so on are going to want to do some of them. Really like the Thomas and Kate ones as well. But oh, this one is so cute. I think I'm going to do. He's not that big, isn't he? But he's on a tiny Ada. He's on an 18 count or what? Yeah, 18 count white Ada. But anyway, and he's also really cute, isn't he? Santa Claus, that's a Santa Claus there. Of course, his initials. What else? So yeah, really happy with those. I think I'm going to take one out of these and start working on those. Which one do you like the best of them? Comment below. And I promised to show you the ones that I've got on AliExpress. I still need 1 or 2 from there. So I think when I've had them all here, I think I'm going to show them all to you. These one I have had opened. So let's see that. I'm going to post a video also later about my whips and what I've been finishing and what I'm going to do and so on for June. I think that's my new idea, is that I'm going to just give you an update each month, beginning of the month, and saying where am I, what I'm going to do this month and so on. So yeah, but see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I love to have some more subscribers, of course. And for those of you who have subscribed, I'm sorry this is not a diamond painting related thing. I think I'm going to from now on mix it a bit up. Not that this is just going to be Flosstube. I'm just going to mix it a bit. So thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed it. See you in my next video. Bye for now.